A further issue that's been the subject of public commentary relates to an incident where a Sinn Féin representative sent inappropriate text messages to a 17-year-old. That representative was Senator Niall Ó Donnghaile. On the 11th of September 2023, a party councillor received a complaint that an inappropriate message had been sent by Niall Ó Donnghaile to a 17-year-old male party member. The young man wanted this to stop, and he wanted no further contact to be made to him by Niall Ó Donnghaile. On the 12th of September, the chairperson of Belfast Sinn Féin was informed of the complaint, and so began the formal party procedure. As part of the party's inquiry at the time, we were informed of a second individual receiving inappropriate text messages from Niall Ó Donnghaile. This person was an adult. He was advised of his right to make a formal complaint, but he chose not to. Niall Ó Donghaile's actions were not acceptable. This view was made clear to Niall Ó Donnghaile at a meeting on October the 5th, involving the party chair, the chief whip and the chairperson of Belfast Sinn Féin. At that meeting, Niall Ó Donnghaile stated that he would be resigning both from the Seanad and the party. Sinn Féin's actions were firstly guided by concern for the young person at the centre of this incident. Secondly, by the need for accountability and consequences for the actions of Niall Ó Donnghaile. And he faced those consequences, ones that were proportionate to his unacceptable behaviour. The party had received legal advice against naming Mr Ó Donnghaile, as there was no criminal charge brought against him. However, the question may be asked, and has been asked legitimately, as to why Sinn Féin didn't inform the Oireachtas of the circumstances of Niall Ó Donghaile's resignation as a senator. In the summer of 2021, Niall Ó Donnghaile was on extended leave from his duties in the Seanad due to very serious mental health issues. Following the complaint, we were advised that Niall Ó Donnghaile was again suffering from a mental health crisis and was deemed medically unfit for work by his doctor. We were very worried that publicly naming him would be dangerous to his health. And that is not to make an excuse for his behaviour, but we had very serious concerns for his mental health and his safety, and I still hold some of those concerns to this very day. Niall Ó Donnghaile publicly resigned on December 21st last.